In this video, we're going to go over the preparation of some parts to ensure a more effective cleaning. Before any pocket watch can be properly clicked and seamed, every tiny component must be carefully prepared. In this video, we'll walk you through the preliminary steps of prepping each part for machine cleaning. From a pre-cleaning regulator balance, some bridges, jewels or wheels, every step is crucial for a successful restoration. Let's get started. To remove dried oils from the movement, we use pegwood, a soft, pointed stick ideal for detailed cleaning. It's especially effective on jewels and bridges, helping lift away built-up grime without scratching or damaging any delicate parts. Like, subscribe, and stick around, the best part's coming. To clean the wheel pivots, I usually use pithwood. It has a soft, porous texture, similar to that of a dried plant sponge. Simply press the pivot gently against the material and rotate it. The result is a perfectly clean surface. On the chromed areas, for a more effective cleaning, I use a fine fiberglass brush along with a bit of diamond paste. It helps remove light rust and brings back the shine. After this step, the parts are ready for the machine wash.